One thing I love is working with clients or potential clients and finding ways before they even go see an attorney on how to save money at the attorney's office. There's a lot of things you can do as a client to save you expense and costs, to keep your attorney's fees at a reasonable amount. And they're so simple. I hope this video helps you save money next time you go see an attorney. Well, I think, Leslie, I think the most important thing, and that's for everybody in here, if you go to an attorney, give them the entire file. So many times they give us pieces of the file. We're trained eyes. I may have this big of a file, and I can go through it like that because I've been doing this for 30 years. So I know what to look at. I wouldn't do that if I'm going to a big firm and they may put a second-year attorney on there and they're going to read everything because they don't know it. I can read the documents quick and know what's important, what's not, and focus in on the most important parts. Be organized. When you take the file, put a chronology together. Give us the invoices, the emails, the correspondence, anything related to that file, and put it in order, because that's what we do. When we get that file, I'll have a paralegal go through it and put a date because it tells a story. When we go to court and we go to trial, we're telling a story. So the best way to tell a story is to have a chronology. So that's really important. And then if like banks, it's wonderful because we got finance statements from the borrower. So if you have any financial information, credit applications, so once we collect it, we know how much pressure we can put on. That's really helpful. We're not going to oversell you just to get the file. A lot of attorneys will go in there and think that they can promise you the world, and they don't perform. That's why a lot of clients come to us after being with another attorney or two other attorneys because they weren't happy with the results they have. I always treat my clients as if I was the one wanting to purchase the goods, purchasing the attorney legal services. I want the attorney to be frank with me. I want them to tell me the good part of my case. I also want them to tell me, the attorney, the bad parts of my case. Because as a consumer or a client or a businessman, I want to know what my options are. As a businessman, once I know what my options are, whether they're great, good, mediocre, or poor, I can then make a business decision. So my background as a CPA, that's what I provide my clients. We have to have a good understanding at the very front what the possible results are, what the options are, so they can make an intelligent decision.